gonna jump right into it. So bikers, Y fans.
We start with a situation where the bike almost paid a very high
Intersection, orange stage.
business.
Orange stage. What are we gonna do here? Okay, we're taking off. Red. Red? What are you doing? Just was bored? Didn't want to do it? Light would change. There's other people there. Uh-oh, dragon wreck. Tail of the dragon. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's easily a spinal injury. Easily a spinal injury. We'll go back to that one. Okay, so wheelie. He didn't have a rock form mount. That's why his phone was off.
Ce l'ho fatta, scusatemi, ce l'ho fatta, ce l'ho fatta, ce l'ho fatta. Scusate.
So we got a lot of possible abrasions on the legs. So it looked like regular jeans. And then you're going to have...
Sì.
Oof, no buenos.
Sì, 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 ce l'ho fatta, ce l'ho fatta. Meno male che andavo piano. Meno male che andavo piano. Meno male che andavo piano. Scusatemi.
Yeah, lots of abrasions. You got the impact to the tailbone and the hip and the knee. He does have full gear elsewhere. But look at, you can see holes. We might pause that one. You can see holes in his knee. That's where the impacts usually happen. You can shatter patella easily. Always grinding 24. Here we go. Are we going to low side it? Let's see. Going around the corners pretty hard. Pretty good, pretty good. That's a sharp turn. Whoa, where'd you come from? So he went and crashed. Now we're going to have to go rescue a friend. Okay, make sure you guys know how to do that. You get the pictures and PDFs and everything of the rescue booklet and this as a member at our academy, so you might want to do that. Oh, lane filtering, high speed.
They were so much decided to react in a way that was also not entirely safe.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. That was really dumb for the car driver. If you're driving a car and somebody does this, don't be like that. Don't be like that. But that was kind of unsafe. Thankfully, he's not hurt. Road rage is an interesting thing, especially when nothing really bad happens. Right, Grim? Welcome to the crew, baby. Brand new crew member. Okay. Non-issue. It was very slippery and tires are cold, but not panicking. Save the situation. Devil shift. Great job. Don't panic. Side of the vehicle right there. Found the escape path. Did an amazing job with that escape path. Woo-wee. Anyways, pulled the mirror. Couldn't see me. So go ahead and unfold it for him if you want. Unfold it. Boink. It's always good to kind of be a good person sometimes. It's always good to be kind of good. Who wrote that? Several people cut in the corner and then two blatant red light runners. Uh-oh. So red... Remember, we got to be in orange stage here. Orange stage, prepped and ready for something here. Prepped and ready. Okay, cutting it close. Looks like they ran it pretty quick. So don't park off to the left. Park over there. Park more to the right. Especially in this type of situation when they cut it close. Park a little bit. They're going to do it either way. Just, I want to be further away. I want that space cushion. I want that space cushion. Okay? Can't pronounce that, but it's nighttime. What are some of the hazards? Oh, with a passenger... Wrists, hands, wear full gear. I think the young lady will at least wear full jean pants next time. Yeah, guys, get some gear. If you don't have any gear, we do have a link right here from RevZilla. They have a great beginner gear list. Pretty low cost, but a lot of them... Oh, man. Just check it out. Just check it out. Oh, not getting up. Easily have abrasions and broken stuff on that. Just falling down from that position, putting your hand down can shatter your wrist easily.
I don't know how you felt.
Easily.
I think you hit his front brake out.
So friends are rescuing each other. They're rescuing each other.
In the right mirror, you can see the rider who didn't keep a safe distance and makes a very big mistake by not paying attention.
Okay, not paying attention. Lexamoto, okay, not paying attention. Thank you, MotoStars, for letting us know. Guys, by the way, sign up and subscribe to MotoStars. He has some good stuff. Ooh! Impact from the rear. So another rider hit them. Oh, you can see it right here in the mirror. Let's see. So I saw his hand braking. I don't know why we're braking. I see indicators. Are we turning right? I think we might be turning right. Oh, impact. Or he was pulling over. So it knocked him off. That's why you need to wear seatbelts on your motorcycle. Passenger, that person fell. Another patient. So we got 3 patients, including yourself. 4 patients, including yourself. So easily rip up the leg. He probably hit his head. that person over there, you got to rescue another rider. We were going to talk about this one a little bit. Look at the aftermath.